Welcome to Getting Started with ORCID. In this video, we'll discuss how to make sure you're getting the most out of your ORCID. For information on why you should have an ORCID and how to set up your profile, visit the other videos in our ORCID series. Your ORCID allows potential collaborators, industry partners, grant assessors, and colleagues to find an up-to-date list of your publications, interests, and social media. Unlike automatically generated researcher IDs, ORCID gives you full control over your content and profile. Many publishers are now beginning to mandate that you provide an ORCID ID upon publication, removing any ambiguity over your name or research affiliation, and linking your works back to you. To make sure your ORCID is promoting your work effectively, it's important to add some keywords that describe your areas of research interest. To do this, go to the left-hand menu of your ORCID profile and scroll down to Keywords and select the pencil icon. Then simply add your keywords into the box like I've done here and click on Save Changes. If you wish to add in more keywords, simply click on the plus icon over here. The more keywords you can think of, the better. This makes your profile discoverable to researchers looking for collaborators or anyone looking for reputable experts on a topic. Also, remember to make sure the visibility of your profile is set to public. If you have it on private, none of your works or information can be seen. You can change the visibility settings of different sections in your profile whenever you see these icons. So, if you wish to mark some of your works as private, you can do that without blocking your entire profile. Next, make sure your ORCID profile has links to your social media, the conversation, your staff profile, and any other web presence. Vice versa, your social media and websites should link back to your ORCID. The more places, the better. This increases the discoverability of your work, which may lead to improved impact and engagement. Finally, you should include your ORCID ID on all submissions, including conference papers, grant applications, and publications, as well as in your email signature. This will allow anyone who comes across those works to be led back to your other work. Congratulations! You have now completed your ORCID profile and it is working hard to make sure your research gets the credit it deserves. Make sure you update your profile regularly as you publish new works. Don't forget, if you have any questions, get in touch with your academic liaison librarian.